Welcome back to Guide Glimpse. In this video, let me show you how you can add products to Wix website. First, open your Wix account, then navigate to your edit site by clicking this button below. You will be taken to the site editor. On this page, you can see the tools on your right side. Over here, navigate to Add Apps. Click on that. Then search for a store. Let's use Wix Store. Then click Add to Site. If you add this one to your Wix, you can start selling your products. Select the product page right here. Over here, you can edit your product pages, category page, and cart page. This is basically the interface of your store that your customers will see. To add a product, click on My Business on your left. Then over here, click on Add a Product. Then click the checkbox over here if you want this to be added on your site. Then just hit X and it will automatically be added on your site. If you think you're good to go, just click Publish on the top and you're done. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.